Welcome to the channel, everyone. My name is Michael, aka Fastnickel, for those who are new to the channel. And by the way, that is how my room actually looks, in case you're wondering. Hopefully, before the end of this video, you remember to like, share, and become a subscriber. I have been a JASMY token holder since 2022 when I was able to buy in at 0.003 cents. I have over 100,000 tokens, so that should tell you my thoughts regarding holding JASMY. In this video, I'm going to speak on a few topics: data storage, the DD stablecoin, and the anticipated JASMY wallet, and a price prediction from the CEO of JASMY. This portion regarding data comes directly from JASMY. What will change? Data democratization puts data sovereignty in the hands of consumers. IoT, blockchain, data democracy. The big wave of the fourth industrial revolution. Now that the big wave of the fourth industrial revolution has begun to swallow the world, all goods, people, and services are connected via the internet and continue to expand into all areas of our lives. From this big wave, new goods and services such as sharing economies like car dispatch services, automatic driving and robotics industry using AI, as well as checkout-free unmanned convenience stores are born. Platformers who monopolize information. Many of today's network services are provided by giant platformers such as GAFA, Google, Apple, Facebook, Amazon. In return for using the service for free, we pass personal data such as behavior history, which we as users should own, to the platformer. In such a way, a large amount of data exchanged from service contacts, such as communication networks and applications, are exclusively collected by the platformer's centralized system, managed and analyzed and used for various purposes. Who owns our data? However, there have been numerous incidents in which data that we believe should be managed safely is quite easily leaked due to cyber attacks, system defects, and human mistakes. In addition, there have been cases where data tracked, collected, and analyzed from networks is misused to deliver ads or clever contents that can lead you to websites you didn't originally want. The fast-growing giant platformers are now at a major turning point in their strategies. The basic idea of data democracy. Our basic idea is to return personal data to the hands of the individual it belongs to, and to realize democratization of data that is distributed and managed in a secure way. The JASMY IoT platform will be developed based on this idea. Based on a solid relationship of trust between companies and customers on the platform, will create an environment where data can be exchanged securely as valuables and build a new era of information, a new era of user-oriented information. We are confident that we will create a new IoT business model together with you on this platform and help Japan lead the world again in this new era of information. IoT Fourth Industrial Revolution. This 4-minute video will give you a sneak peek how JASMY will be incorporated. IoT, strategy and management support. In adopting IoT, first of all, we believe it necessary to support our customers' business strategy and solve management issues, thus contributing to customer satisfaction. JASMY will be closely with the client company in helping from product planning all the way to the introduction of IoT and in producing results through the IoT conversion. IoT platform. By using our own idea and the latest blockchain technology, JASMY provides an IoT platform that can securely and efficiently manage data sent from IoT devices. We also provide services that allow users to safely manage and operate IoT devices, as well as allow client companies to grasp the status of IoT devices and manage them centrally. Providing IoT devices, IoT requires an IoT device that has functions such as sending and receiving detected and measured data in conjunction with sensors, as well as sending and receiving commands for remote control. JASMY will provide client companies with base modules such as IoT communication modules and wearable devices that can incorporate the functions required to build IoT systems without undue burden and provide licenses for them. Providing a development environment for IoT services. JASMY will provide client companies in various business areas with the development environment necessary to realize IoT services. In addition, we will maintain a developer community for developing applications and enhance the service lineup. Providing a secure data analysis environment. JASMY will contribute to the creation of new value-added services by creating an environment in which client companies can analyze and utilize the data measured by IoT. At the same time, we make it possible to analyze data that respects individual rights with a democratic method using decentralized management type blockchain technology, which is different from existing platformers that centrally manage personal data. Providing two unique core services, SKC, Secure Knowledge Communicator, and SG, Smart Guardian. When you look at the diagram, JASMY will function in a variety of areas in your day-to-day life. We will prepare a large number of components, elements, parts, function groups unique to JASMY that correspond to the new era of information. In particular, we have prepared two unique core services, Secure Knowledge Communicator, SKC, and Smart Guardian, SG, which integrate the core components so that they can be used easily. SKC, Secure Knowledge Communicator. SKC is a core service of JASMY IoT platform that can safely and centrally manage various data that belongs to individuals and is generated from daily life based on the basic idea of democratization of data. Until now, with permission of the individuals, a lot of information about themselves was provided to each company and managed in each company's database. JASMY has the opposite idea and has built a mechanism to manage the data belonging to an individual as his own. This will create an environment in which the owners of IoT devices and individual users who receive services can control their own information, including the decision of whether or not to provide information to companies. There are three main functions. One is the personal authentication and registration function, Know Your Customer, KYC, that allows you to easily start using the blockchain provided by JASMY. The second is a function for the distributed management and accumulation of your own data securely on your smartphone and in the blockchain. Finally, there is a function that allows users to freely give and receive their own data and trace it. As a result, even on the corporate side, various data and personal information can be used as needed in the form desired by the user without always holding it in-house. SG, Smart Guardian. SG is another core service of the JASMY IoT platform. By using SG, IoT devices can be easily and securely registered in the original blockchain network. And at the same time, an environment that can only be accessed by the owning user is realized. Users can safely send and receive both measured data and commands for remote control. It also provides an environment in which such data can be securely stored and managed with a dual structure of unique blockchain and distributed management storage. New data economy brought about by the JASMY IoT platform. Currently, a lot of information about users is provided to each service providing company and managed in its database. Such data is analyzed by various factors, such as taste and lifestyle, and is returned to individuals or society in the form of improved services. This is a clear proof that the data has economic value. It's true that various services improve the quality of our lives, but can we imagine an era in which data can be used as personal assets while achieving the same benefits? JASMY's vision for a new era of consumer-oriented information is important because it is possible to build an economic community where data can be treated as personal assets by returning the value of this data to the individual who originally owns it. With JASMY IoT platform, our client companies will play a part in the formation of new markets in society as a member of this economic community and as a service provider based on trust. JASMY initiative established to realize IoT that creates value. JASMY initiative was established by companies who want to take the lead in utilizing the JASMY IoT platform and expanding and enlightening the user-oriented democratic data utilization. Activities such as design, proof of concept, demonstration experiment, and information exchange to realize useful business on the platform are scheduled to start in April 2019. Let's take a look at this diagram. We have anonymized attribute databases generated from licensed user data, connecting with members and supporting members, working with developers, and the JASMY initiative. Let's take a look at this last 2-minute video that walks you through how JASMY will be a part of your day-to-day life, from traveling to eating at a restaurant and more. Thanks for watching. If you like my content, please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel.